Good evening and warm welcome to all present here on the occasion of Governor's official visit to our Rotary Tirupur Metal Town. Thank you Governor Rotarian Major Donor Karthigeyan for motivating our club. We at the Rotary Tirupur Metal Town MSR team, President Rotarian Mainambi, Secretary Rotarian Shivachandran, Treasurer Rotarian KG Ravi are proud to be a part of the year 2019 and 20. At the outset, we would like to acknowledge with gratitude the direction and encouragement extended by the District Governor to our club. We would also like to thank for the support and guidance provided by the district officers including District Administrative Secretary Rotarian Navanithan, District General Secretary Rotarian Sambandham, District Coordinator Rotarian Tyagarajan, State Coordinator Rotarian Dhanashekar, Regional Coordinator Rotarian Stephen and Assistant Governor Rotarian Anandaram. I, Rotarian Shivachandran, Secretary of Rotary Tirupur Metal Town, now like to present you the report of our club activities till now in the year 2019-20. So, please sit back, relax and witness as we chronicle the way we made the difference. The club is ably guided by our senior Rotarians, past presidents, members and sponsors that has helped MSR team to take up and complete several projects with success. Also, most prestigious award to the club is Presidential Citation Award, which we Rotary Tirupur Metal Town have bagged with category Platinum in this year 2019 and 20. Shouldering the responsibility of managing one of the finest and 24-year-old club was indeed a tough task for the new team. Knowing this very well, President Rotarian Mainambi and myself have initiated the learning starting from PITS sets Aksharam at Bangalore. As the club was growing and entering into the Silver Jubilee year, long-term planning was the key to success. To strengthen his leadership role and have a long-term vision, President Rotarian Mainambi created next level of club leaders like President-elect Rotarian Shivachandran, President nominee Rotarian Veluswamy and President nominee designate Rotarian Kadirvel. Here is the Avenue-wise report. Club service. The installation of office bearers happened at AVP School Auditorium and that was on July 2019 with more than 400 people attending the event. Chief guest, District Governor Karthigeyan given inspirational speech on leadership qualities and future planning strategies. One intra-club at AVP CBSE School and one intra-club at AVP Matriculation School was installed in a fantabulous manner. And one community-based Rotaract Club and one campus-based AVP College Rotaract Club was installed in a grand manner. Speaker meeting for the year kick-started by renowned speakers. Dr. Ramesh spoke about the colon therapy and created awareness about personal care. Our club past president Rotarian TKM Silvaraj gave a awareness session on our district software application MyClub on Net. Rotarian Rajesh Kannan spoke about the latest developments in GST. Mrs. Uma, a channel partner from HDFC Bank, gave a session on secured and unsecured loans. Rotarian Nallasivam, Amoha District Conference Chairman, spoke about the planning and execution of Amoha. Service Above Self awardee Rotarian PDG Dr. George Sundarraj gave a session on leadership in Zoom. Rotarian Dr. Ismail spoke about the family togetherness, which was very much entertaining. $1 lakh donor Rotarian Dr. Meenakshi Venkatraman, South Asia SROC Chair, gave a session on environmental changes due to Corona. Rotarian V.R. Muthu, Idayam Nallannai owner, spoke about Dinam Thorum May Dinam on May Day, which was his inspirational life story in business. Tamil film director Mr. Ravi Kumar gave a session on Indru, Netru, Nalai, life challenges in cine industry. Membership development is one of the primary goals given to us. We have inducted 31 new members in this year. 15 new members inducted during installation, and in 2 various occasions we have inducted another 16 new members. Now our club strength is 145 and average age of our club members is below 50. In the beginning of July 2019, 13 senior Rotarians of our club were honored by our team members. New Rotarians gave mementos to senior Rotarians. We have conducted weekly meeting every week Tuesday till December 2019 and 2 weeks once till March 2020 at Venu Residency, and from April 2020 onwards every week meeting in Zoom till now. Celebrating birthday and wedding anniversaries every month by cake cutting is keeping our members happy and close bonding. Every month we have released our club's monthly magazine Connect. So far we have released 10 issues till the month of April 2020. Sponsored by past President Rotarian Arumugam, Rotarian Murali, Rotarian Aruchami, Rotarian Palnichami, Rotarian Ravichandran. We have updated our club activities in Rotary.org, Rotary Club Central, Rotary Showcase, My Club on Net, and we have sent monthly activities report to District Secretariat and to all district officers on time. Friendship and fellowship. Rotary Tirupur Metal Town is one big family, and we always participate in wedding ceremonies of our club members. We attended Rotarian past treasurer Sanmu Sundaram's daughter Ritanya's marriage, Rotarian Subramaniam daughter Divya's marriage, Rotarian Arunachalam sons Navindin's marriage, Rotarian Tangaraj family function, Rotarian Jayabal family function. We, Metaltown members and families, participated in large numbers to make it a grand affair. After every week meeting, we engage members with karaoke music system, encouraged to sing their favorite songs. Organized a club get-together event at Aryathotam, where nearly 100 Rotarians participated and had good time with cricket and songs by Mr. Ajit Raja Band, and finally mouth-watering food and fellowship as well. 115 years of Rotary celebration happened along with family get-together in presence of our district governor Karthikeyan. In district conference Amoha, our members have participated in rap walk Sweet Couples. During lockdown, we engaged Metaltown family members in a session conducted by reverse reader Rotractor Manonmani. Kids were surprised and actively participated in the event through Zoom meeting. Patukku Pattu by Dr. Bhuvaneshwaran, PSG Hospital's director, and Mr. Ajit Raja performed a live song entertainment from Golden Old Tamil songs through Zoom meeting. On International Family Day, we shared family photos to all members. Happy to see all the family smiling faces. Fellowship in business. Our club member, past president Rotarian TKM Selvaraj, the chartered chairman of RMBF Tirupur, Totally, 14 members from our club have joined as chartered members, one of the global networking fellowship in Rotary. Fellowship in sports. Every year, it's our privilege to conduct volleyball tournament at AVP School Campus, Tirumurugan Pundi. And this year too, we conducted inter-school volleyball tournament along with AVP School. This year, we have participated in the inter-district cricket tournament happened in Namakkal, organized by the Namakkal region Rotary clubs. President Rotarian Mainambi, members Rotarian Jay Prakash and Rotarian Venkatachalapati have participated in Mid Smashers badminton tournament conducted in Calicut by Rotary clubs and they won second prize. We have formed a cricket team named Metal Kings among our club members and practiced in weekends. Fun time! District events. Our club has been actively participating in all district events starting from DOTS and we are proud to be a part of all events organized by the district. Some of the events Metaltown members participated were State Level Fellowship Meet at Pollachi, Namma Tirupur Walkathon in presence of our District Collector on World Heart Day in Tirupur, Membership Seminar at Dharapuram, Aram District Foundation Seminar and CSR Conclave at Coimbatore, Pre-Pet Sets in Tirupur, AGTS Pet Sets in Zoom, attended Amoga District Conference with highest registration of 115 members. Under club service, we have completed project worth of rupees 6 lakhs, 200 beneficiaries and 100 volunteering hours. Sponsors in club service. We thank all the sponsors in this occasion. Bluetooth speaker sponsored by Rotarian Sundar Raj. Weekly meeting food sponsored by Rotarian Alakappa Biryani Ramachandran, Rotarian Chandrashekaran, Rotarian T.N. Durai, Rotarian Advocate Loganathan, Rotarian Tangaraj. Fellowship sponsored by Rotarian Anandram, Rotarian Advocate Loganathan. Amoga T-shirt sponsored by Rotarian Arunachalam. Gold coin for Rap Walk sponsored by Rotarian Advocate Loganathan. Badminton Rocket sponsored by Rotarian Kadirvel. Community Service Health. The year kick-started with a mega event organized with Lotus Eye Hospital at AVP School and AVP College campus. Totally 3,541 students were screened and tested. We have created cancer awareness through skating rally in presence of District Collector with support of AVP School students, and we organized dengue awareness session conducted by Dr. Neminathan. Conducted 2 blood donation camps in 2019 and 20 and collected more than 50 units from Rotarians and parents in first camp happened in AVP School campus. In second camp near Periyar Colony Petrol Bunk along with Muyarchi Makkal Amaipu and with support of past President Rotarian Armugam, we have collected 80 units of blood supported by KG Hospital. Totally 130 blood units were collected under 2 blood donation camps. Tirupur's prestigious project Blood Bank has been materialized with help of Rotary and Indian Medical Association. Our club members including District Governor Rotarian Karthikeyan, Assistant Governor Rotarian Anandram, Rotarian Advocate Loganathan and Rotarian Seniyappan were the founder members. Also, few honorary members of Rotary IMA Blood Bank from our club are President Rotarian Mainambi, Rotarian Tyagarajan, Rotarian Ramesh Kumar, Rotarian Sundar Raj, Rotarian B.M. Ravichandran, Rotarian Bhupati and Rotarian Jagannathan. As a part of HEAL project, we have sponsored rupees 1 lakh to Rotary Metupalayam President Dr. Vijayagiri. Under Community Service Health, we have completed a project worth of 14 lakh rupees, 6,000 beneficiaries, 1,250 volunteering hours. Community Service Development. Tree seed balls were distributed to all 400 family members who attended the installation by Rotarian T.N. Durai. Neruperichal pond cleaning project was completed with support of Rotarian B.M. Ravichandran. Rainwater harvesting awareness rally was conducted by AVP Rotrack students, and we Rotary Metaltown also participated in the event. Devampalayam village pond was cleaned with support of village families, and our president Rotarian Main MB and Rotarian Venkatachalapati also part of the program. We have kept Tirupur map information board at Government Hospital Tirupur, and this project was supported by Atlas Rotarian Muthuswamy and Symphony Rotarian Subramaniam. Tree plantation project at Devampalayam village was a small token of preserving greenery with support of Rotary Tirupur Metaltown, and our district governor Karthikeyan also part of the project. On Polio Day, we have organized a Pulse Polio camp where the little ones were offered with 2 drops of polio at Perumanallur Primary Health Center. Under Community Service Development, we completed the projects worth of rupees 2,57,000, beneficiaries 11,600, and volunteering hours 1,700. Community service school projects. It is always happy to go to school. We have donated 2 laptops to 15 Palambalayam Government Middle School children with support of Rotarian K.S. Mani, Rotarian Jayabal, Rotarian Sendil Kumar, Lakshmi Furnitures, Rotarian Prakash, and Rotarian Aruchami. Independence Day celebration with kids was a wonderful experience and shared sweets to all students, teachers, and parents of Kavita Lakshmi Nagar Government School. World leaders' quotes were wall painted at 15 Valambalayam Middle School. It was a good public image as well to our club. On Republic Day, we went to Kavita Lakshmi Nagar Government School and celebrated along with students. Flag was unfurled by President Rotarian Main MB, and that was a true patriotic privilege to our club. At the end of celebration, sweets were sponsored by Rotarian Ravichandran. Under Community Service School Projects, we completed the projects worth of rupees 83,000, beneficiaries 1,250, and volunteering hours 40. COVID response projects. This year, it was devastating year for the communities at large. Yes, we have to witness the novel coronavirus. Due to this, Indian government declared national lockdown. For almost 2 months, people suffered a lot. That's where Rotarians came into action. Our club Rotarians supported in various places in and around Tirupur region. Personal protective equipments, food supplies, RO plant cleaning, and Amma Unavagam renovation was initiated by Assistant Governor Anandram. Our past president, Rotarian Arumugam, was in full swing for almost more than 1 month by setting up kitchen, prepared food, and supplied to many needy peoples. Also, he served Kapasura Kudinir and masks to the necessary peoples. Our club past treasurer, Rotarian Shanmu Sundaram, organized masks and personal protective gloves to the health workers. Rice bags to 20 needy families were offered by our past secretary, Rotarian Karthikeyan and Rotarian Aruchami. Rice bags and food provisions were given to 35 families, and this project was supported by Rotarian Auditor Subramaniam, past President Rotarian Tyagarajan, Rotarian Ravichandran, Rotarian Rangaraj, Rotarian Madheswaran, and Rotarian Sundarraj. Rice bags were given to 50 families by past Secretary Rotarian P.S. Palaniswamy. Our club member, Assistant Governor Anandaram, supported to the visually challenged peoples through National Federation of the Blind, Tamil Nadu, and he supported to temple priests whom were suffered a lot due to lockdown. In Devampalayam village, close to 350 families were provided with rice bags and food provisions. Project supported by President Rotarian Main MB, Rotarian Venkatachalapati, and Rotarian Mohan Raj SKL groups. At this moment, we thank and salute the doctors, healthcare workers, and all the peoples who are fighting against this deadly virus. Under COVID response projects, we have completed the project worth of rupees 8 lakhs, beneficiaries 3,000 peoples, volunteering hours 150. In connection with COVID response. Our Rotarians have donated to PM Cares Fund. President Rotarian May Nambi, Past Secretary Bopati, Rotarian Ramesh Kumar collectively supported Rs 40,000 to PM Cares Fund during this COVID situation. Disaster Management Fund, Past Secretary Rotarian Karthikeyan, Rotarian Ramesh Kumar, Rotarian Chandrasekharan and Rotarian Rajendran all together supported Rs 40,000 to Disaster Management Fund, and 70 members from our club so far contributed Rs 500 each to Disaster Management Fund and before June, and we will try to collect from all members and support accordingly. Vocational service. 4-way test photo booth was fixed during installation and instant photos were given to all Rotarian families, and we created 4-way test awareness among public. 20 vocational excellence awards were given to Tirupur based entrepreneurs in presence of actor Ramesh Khanna. National Builder Awards to 27 teachers given by our club was yet another success story. Myself attended Rotary Leadership Institute, completed 3 parts and graduated under the leadership of PDG Dr. Jat Sundar Raj. Junior Chamber Internationals conducted effective public speaking in which our club member Rotarian Suresh and myself attended, grabbed the Outstanding Performer Award in EPS at the end of the session. Under vocational service, we have completed the project worth of 1,15,000 rupees, beneficiaries 10,500, volunteering hours 200. International service. Youth Exchange Outbound. Rotarian Loganathan's daughter Samrita is one among 7 students under Youth Exchange Outbound. Now she is in Germany for her studies. Road to World Games. 2 experts from Paris World Games who have visited AVP school and addressed students on football and various other sports and encouraged them to attend. Mr. Christophe and Mr. Laurent from France was the chief guest. Youth service. E-Raila. Grooming next young generation is primary responsibility as our Rotarians. Due to lockdown, we were not in a situation to conduct direct Raila. In turn, we conducted E-Raila along with District Rotaract Council 3202. 5 days of E-Raila to Rotaractors from different regions were great moment. Speakers from different places including Rotarians, professors, PDRRs were highlight of the show. On final day valedictory function, we have awarded the best moderator Miss Raila and Mr. Raila. District Governor Karthikeyan was the chief guest of the function. District priority projects. Educate a Girl Child. We have done 2 projects under Educate a Girl Child. In the beginning of year itself, in a weekly meeting with collective efforts from members, we managed to collect Rs 20,000 and given to a girl student for her school fees. Rotarian Rangasamy have sponsored Rs 15,000 to a girl student college fees consecutively for the 3rd year. Active and Healthy Child. Under 16 years students, badminton tournament was conducted at Morgan's Academy and past President Rotarian Senyapan sponsored the event. Care for Aged. We have done 2 projects under Care for Aged. Organized Non-Communicable Disease Testing Camp project in Pallipalayam village, Tirupur, along with NSS of AVP College, where all senior citizens of the village were screened for blood sugar, blood pressure, height, weight and eyesight. 400 senior citizens were part of the program and it was conducted along with Indian Medical Association and Lotus Eye Hospital. In Prabanja Illam Old Age Home, under the guidance of past President Rotarian Armugam, we have organized new clothes to all the old age peoples on the account of their annual day celebration. More than 50 senior citizens were benefited. Rotary Mission to Public Vision. Rotary's 4-way test awareness video has been circulated to many peoples.
Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build good? Will it better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Rotary Foundation. During installation itself, Assistant Governor Rotarian Anandaram have donated $5,000 to foundation, and Past Secretary Rotarian Bhupati have donated $500 to foundation. From the inspiration of End Polio program, Rotarian Ravichandran have donated rupees 35,000 to Rotary Foundation. So far, Paul Harris Fellow accepted members are Rotarian Madheswaran, Rotarian Sundar Raj, Rotarian Jagannathan, Rotarian Ramesh Kumar, and we are expecting to attain total 10 Paul Harris Fellow before June end. Above all, our club member and our district governor Karthikeyan have donated $1 lakh to Rotary Foundation during governor installation. On their wedding anniversary, Assistant Governor Rotarian Anandaram and Rotarian Havishmati have donated another $5,000. In this year, totally they have donated $10,000 to Rotary Foundation. Public image. In the beginning of year 2019 and 20 itself, we have organized a Vijay TV Pattimandram, which was telecasted during Vinay Chaturthi in Vijay TV, which was a good public image project for our club. With help of AVP school students to create awareness on polio, we have done a human formation project along with Rotary Tirupur. We framed the End Polio, which was published in all daily newspapers. Almost 3,500 students formed the word End Polio. It was a super public image project, and the same day we have posed for this close image of End Polio's statement. In Facebook of our Rotary Metal Town, we have invited and accepted more than 4,000 members, starting from 200. All members' birthday and wedding anniversaries were highlighted in Facebook and WhatsApp. All important days and Rotary information were shared in Facebook page, which brings great image to our club. To celebrate 100 years of Rotary, Dinamalar have released tabloid version in which our club's names and its activities were displayed, which was reached to more than 4 lakh people. In Amoga District Conference, we displayed our project's banner to public view, which grabbed the attention of many Rotarians and public as well. First time in the district, we have organized E-Raila, and it was live in Facebook page. So far, more than 400 people have watched the E-Raila sessions online. We have donated rupees 1 lakh to Rotary IMA Blood Bank, and we are the associate club of Blood Bank, and this is going to be a evergreen public image project in Tirupur. We, Rotary Club of Tirupur Metal Town, was in newspapers more than 10 times in this year 2019 and 20. Through Facebook, Rotary Club of Chennai Valacheri contacted us, and they wanted us to have in their joint club meeting. So totally 5 clubs were in the meeting with international speaker. It was a good public image through Facebook. Signature project. Our long years of waiting is over. Yes, we have initiated new club building with Bhumi Puja in presence of our beloved District Governor Karthikeyan and First Lady Ladha Karthikeyan. President Rotarian Mainambi, Secretary Rotarian Shivachandran, Treasurer Rotarian KG Ravi, and senior members were in the historical occasion. New club building construction is under process with estimated budget of rupees 1.5 crores. We are expecting to get completed in another 4 months' time. These are a few of the notable activities of Rotary Tirupur Metal Town up to May 2020. I, Shivachandran, Secretary, signing off from you. Thank you for your patient hearing.